Jersey number 14, Alejandro. Number 21. Stopping the shot using the glasses view. Jersey number 27. That's Mr. Castillo, one of the great leader from the Segovia. Number 27, to the one. Jersey number 10, Jamaica, Francisco. Looking for silver. You see jersey number 10, number 9 lagi. 14 seconds to shoot shot clock. Magandang pass yan. Ay! Service one. Foul in jersey number 1. Number 1 is full time. That's the first personal foul. Second team foul pa lang tayo. Jersey number 14, but jersey number 21. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Ang official score natin is 33. 35, 37. Jersey number 21. But jersey number 24. Number 0, 14 seconds shot clock. Number 0, up back to the back. Jersey number 21. Chance mention 9. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, yes, using the last good. 3 good shots, jersey number 27, back jersey number 1, back jersey number 27, that's Studio. 1 minute and 47 seconds. Number 27, through the ball, looking for super. Number 27, back jersey number 10, 47 seconds. Number 10, Francisco. Ang service by jersey number, this ball pass. Number 40, Alejandro. Asingnya di bawah. Looking for the super. Back to the finger. Arellano. Attack and a shot. Answer is by jersey number 1. That's Mr. Tat. Back jersey number 4. Back jersey number 1. Mr. Tat. Number 29. Mr. Nagit. Asingnya di bawah. Looking for the super from downtown. Back jersey number 10. Francisco. Answer is by jersey number 21. Number 21, who ball? And it's 71 to play. Number 14, the service. About just number 59, Patrice number Francisco. Number 4, looking for super. Patrice number 1.